Choosing the right fence isn't just about looks. It's about function, safety, and value. Here's what you need to consider before you build. If privacy is your main concern, choose a solid panel fence, like wood, vinyl, or composite. These fences block visibility, making them ideal for backyards or properties near neighbors. 6 to 8 feet in height is usually best. For increased security, go for taller fences with sturdy materials, like metal or reinforced wood. Steel or wrought iron fences are durable and hard to climb, while chain link fences with privacy slats offer a secure yet affordable option. The fence should complement your home's design. Wood fences offer a natural, warm look. Vinyl fences are clean and low maintenance. And ornamental metal fences add elegance and open visibility. Great for front yards. Keeping loved ones safe is a top priority. Choose a fence with minimal gaps and secure latching gates. For dogs, make sure the fence is tall enough and dug deep to prevent jumping or digging. For children, smooth surfaces and locked gates are key. Always check with your homeowners association and local building codes before installing a fence. Some areas limit fence height, material types, and even color. Getting approval first helps avoid fines and costly changes later. Fencing costs vary widely. Chain link and pressure-treated wood are the most affordable options. Vinyl and aluminum are mid-range with less maintenance, while wrought iron or composite tend to be more expensive but long-lasting. Don't forget to factor in labor and gate installations. Your fence should match your needs, whether it's for privacy, safety, looks, or budget. At CAAN Fence Inc., we help homeowners choose the perfect solution for their property.